These are the real. This is the real. Stocklot wholesale market in China. See, what's that?
我也去过，好像是我。不行，我得想一下，就想了，你看。
This is the one of the just the one of the corner of the Stocklot fabric market in China. The prices is very cheap. They sell by kilogram at very cheap price. My God. Normally Africans, Indians and Pakistani and Bangladesh importers came here to buy container by container. The prices is very cheap. The prices is very cheap. You even cannot imagine how cheap they are. My God. Even you buy a container from this Stocklot fabric market, it is not too much because the prices here is very cheap. See, they will wait by this by kilogram. The prices is very cheap. Quality is good, but price is very cheap. Wow. Indians and Africans and Bangladesh importers often come here to take container by container, but they want to tell their friends or business partners where they get these amazing fabrics at good prices from China. What's that? Wow, over there are more.